Good morning, guys. We are today going to head to the Dudhsagar waterfalls along the railway lines. We're at Culham railway station at the moment, which you'll see behind me. Never tried the trek before, so I'll keep you updated along the way. It's apparently 23 kilometers there and back, so let's see what we're like after the journey. Follow you along the way, eh? See you soon. Hey guys, this way. Hello, it's me again. So, we did the first 4 kilometers along the railway lines, and then there's a point on the railway lines where you can see the trail down below you, so you cut through a bit of a thicket, not much of a thicket, and meet the trail below. We couldn't come all the way along the trail today because of the amount of rain they'd had and the river crossings, hence doing the first 4 kilometers along the railway lines, which obviously went over all the river crossings. But just about another 6-7 kilometers to get there, and then the same walk back. Obviously we had to take a detour from that beautiful looking trail, and the wildlife wardens threw us off the trail and said, no sir, no sir, no sir, go on the railway track. So we're back on the railway track, and I think we're up to about the 7 kilometer point, and there's a rather scary looking tunnel up ahead right there. Question is, do you chance it or not? The truth is, I'm going to put my ear on the railway track and see if I can hear anything on the railway track, because I remember reading that in John Wayne when I was a youngster. Look the road, right? Guys, it's me. It's Chad speaking. I'm still here. If anything goes wrong and anyone finds the video, you know this is where all the hills have eyes and all that kind of thing. Hey, it's me and Mandie again. We've gone over the 10k mark now, and we're approaching tunnel number 3. We've had sunshine, rain, humid, hot, sticky weather, and I've got to say, it's not easy going. This railway line has made its way gradually up into the mountains, so it's been a gradual uphill climb all the way. And here we are, just in front of us there. You can see we're going into another deep tunnel. On this one it doesn't actually say how long it is, so hey, see you at the other side. Hey guys, here Mandie. Really happy. We're on the wrong bridge. We're on one railway line, but I thought we'd be on the other railway line, that one over there, the one that's right under the falls, and we're not on that railway line.
A long way.
It's still majestic, but we can't really go any further to see if we can meet that railway line because we're running out of time, and we're running out of light
And water.
and water and energy. So for now this will do for this weekend till our next outing.
Knitting next week.
See you all soon. 10-pin bowling next week if anyone wants to join us. 10-pin bowling. See you all soon. Enjoy the view.
Train's coming.
Actually guys, we just needed to carry on walking 1 more kilometre to get round to the other bridge, and we'd have been standing right under the waterfalls. Unfortunately on this occasion, time beat us